We are in the closet of former fashion designer Susan Lizanne Immerman, and we are so excited to share this space with you. She is already a tidy, organized person. So to come in and really give the final touches, add a few key pieces of product, really made all the difference in the space.
We're really excited to take you through our closet, show you the mDesign products that we've used and that we love and that have really transformed her space from, you know, she's already fab, but super fab. A great place to start in your closet if you want some simple organizing that you can do is by color coding and folding your clothes. Divided bamboo bins are great for organizing because first of all, they're super sturdy. The structure is amazing. They can hold anything. They work in a pantry, they work in a closet, and they look really good too.
And it's really nice, whatever you have, your socks, you know, your undies, anything like that, each item gets their own individual bin. It's way easy to stay organized.
Baskets are a great organizing tool to use really anywhere.
Right. It is your solution for containing all the things. Okay, our favorite solution for any drawer is just a simple tension rod bamboo drawer divider. It gives structure, it looks really nice, gives a custom feel, and really helps your space stay organized.
Ladies, pro tip, acrylic purse organizers. They're a total game changer.
They really are the solution for your small wallets, your clutches, your small handbags. They keep them protected and standing up, and they keep their structure, and they help them last over time.
So we just wrapped up Susan's closet, and wow, what a transformation.
Well, and in her space, we did a lot of work on the drawers and a lot of folding. Her hanging space is full of what she had, so we really refolded everything, added drawer dividers, added some clutch holders for her purses, and actually we used them for her scarves and gloves, some dividers for her socks, and that really rounded out this incredible closet organization.